Okay, so the first thing we need to do is draw the top of the broccoli. So I'm just going to be using these curved lines. Next, we need to go down and draw the stem of the broccoli. And then we need to draw these triangle shapes on the inside. And this just shows where it's branching off. Then I'm going to add a little bit of detail on the inside of the broccoli. And now we can start on the face. So I'm just going to draw in the eyes now. And this time I'm not going to give him any eyebrows or anything. And then a nice smile underneath the eyes. And that's it. How to draw a cute cartoon broccoli. If you enjoyed that video, please remember to subscribe, because there's going to be loads more videos like this one coming up.